Hello! Let's go through a quick demonstration of how to troubleshoot FileVault status in Jamf Pro. One potential scenario is if the disk encryption category of a computer's inventory record shows the FileVault 2 partition encryption state as encrypted, but the personal recovery key validation is unknown. This could occur if Jamf Pro recently enabled FileVault and the computer may need to submit inventory once more. In this case, we could wait until the next scheduled inventory update or manually force an inventory update using the Jamf binary by executing the command sudo jamf recon in the terminal app on the target computer. After inventory information has been submitted, refreshing the computer's inventory record shows a valid recovery key. This scenario can also occur if a computer is encrypted by a user before FileVault is managed by Jamf Pro. In this case, we need to be sure a configuration profile to escrow the recovery key to Jamf Pro is in place first. Then we can use a policy to run a script that issues a new recovery key. Navigate to Computers, Configuration Profiles, then click New. Give the profile a name, choose a category, and leave the profile to be applied at the computer level and installed automatically. Find and select the security and privacy payload, FileVault, then use the switch to include the Enable FileVault setting. With this setting, FileVault is enabled at the next login for computers in scope, and it cannot be disabled by users. Scroll down to Escrow Personal Recovery Key and then use the switch to include that setting. A description for where the key will be stored is required, so I'm typing Jamf Training for the escrow location description. Add computers to the scope. I'm adding the All Managed Clients smart group, then click Save. Next, we can create a smart group of computers to use as the scope for the policy we'll be making. Since we want to target computers without a valid recovery key in Jamf Pro, use the criteria FileVault 2 partition encryption state is encrypted and FileVault 2 individual key validation is unknown. Now we need to add the reissueKey.sh script to Jamf Pro from Jamf's FileVault repository on GitHub, linked in the resources for this video. Copy the script from GitHub, then navigate to Jamf Pro Settings, Computer Management, Scripts, and then click New. Enter a name and choose a category, then click the Script tab and paste the script here. Click Options and we can add helpful labels for parameters 4 through 7 so it's easy to see how they're used when configuring this script in a policy. Once the script is saved in Jamf Pro, we can create the policy by navigating to Computers, Policies, and clicking New. Enter a name, choose a category, select a trigger, then leave the execution frequency at once per computer. If planning on making the policy available in self-service, leave all triggers unselected. Select the script's payload, then click Configure. Add the reissue.sh script and enter any custom parameter values. After adding the script, be sure to scroll down and configure the maintenance payload to include an inventory update. Click Scope, Add, Computer Groups, and then click Add for the smart group created earlier. Configure settings if making the policy available in self-service, then click Save. When the policy runs, the script presents a dialog asking the user to enter their password. A new recovery key is issued once their password is entered successfully, then the policy concludes by running an inventory update. Thanks to the configuration profile created earlier, the new recovery key is included in the inventory information sent to Jamf Pro, and a refresh of the inventory record shows the personal recovery key is now valid. Thanks for watching.